Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Nissan LEAF S, stock number Z6935A. 35,000 miles on this local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Cayenne Red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The LEAF seats 5 cloth interiors. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo wagons. The LEAF is a 100% electric vehicle. Backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with charging equipment. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Rear seats are also heated. This LEAF has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated steering wheel, push button start, and of course, being 100% electric, completely silent. Again, 35,000 miles, tilt wheel, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And backup camera display. Automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. Single speed transmission. Lots of storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this LEAF has an 80 kilowatt electric motor producing 107 horsepower. Plug-in jack. Exceptional fuel economy. EPA average of 126 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 101 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6935A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.